In today's fast-paced world, innovative and disruptive technologies are changing the way we live exponentially at record speed. In the midst of this global wave of innovation, nothing is proving more exciting or disruptive than the emergence of new financial technologies. Blockchain breakthroughs such as cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and stock trading innovations as found on platforms like E-Trade and Robinhood are swinging the doors of opportunity wide open for a new generation of online entrepreneurs, creating more millionaires from home faster than ever before. Today, we'd like to introduce you to a brand new financial technology platform that's disrupting the traditional model of trading and finances, giving ordinary people access to two multi-trillion-dollar markets from the comfort of their homes, all within the palm of your hand, while providing you with the tools and guidance needed to understand daily market opportunities that can help you achieve long-lasting financial liberty. Introducing BFX Standard, the new standard of finance, the platform that empowers, educates, and inspires our members to live a higher standard of life by teaching them the proven success secrets of today's most accomplished traders and entrepreneurs as we share our mission to bring Wall Street to Main Street. BFX Standard is a collaboration of top industry leaders from the worlds of trading, technology, and marketing. Together, we've created an educational environment where people can quickly learn to recognize unique opportunities in today's most exciting trillion-dollar financial markets, cryptocurrencies, and the Forex foreign exchange. We teach our members the valuable skills of trading from established veteran traders and market leaders, and provide our members with the tools and education they need to participate in timely market trades in a fun and comfortable way. Using advanced software and mobile app technologies, we deliver trading opportunities and educational guidance directly to our worldwide community of members via their laptop or smartphone, allowing our members to quickly and easily execute expert-level trades with our unique and innovative swipe-to-trade feature, whether they're at home or on the go. Here's how it works. Our innovative platform alerts members of high-probability crypto and Forex trade ideas in real time. This lets them comfortably get the feel for market flow and price action, two of the core tenets of trading. Each trade idea is accompanied by an explanation from a top instructor to build awareness of how the markets operate. Through the daily repetition of seeing this expert analysis, our members quickly develop an eye for key market opportunities. Then, using our easy-to-use mobile app interface, members can quickly choose whether to take a trade, choose their position size, and decide when to close the trade. To create even more opportunity for our members, included in our cryptocurrency trading module is a powerful AI algorithm that comes with 4 years of documented market success and used by a billion-dollar hedge fund with striking results. As an exclusive benefit to our global community, BFX members can choose to participate in daily market trades developed by this amazing AI technology. With BFX Standard, absolutely no experience is necessary to initiate expert-level trades. With our state-of-the-art mobile app and dedicated team of professional mentors, members can manage their accounts with as little as 1 hour per week, literally choosing and executing trades with a simple swipe of their smartphone. And unlike other trading systems online, with BFX Standard, our members are always in full control of their own money, allowing them to pause, stop, or continue trading at any time. And for those that want to accelerate their learning and results, BFX offers unparalleled market and trading education, a key offering that sets us apart from anyone else in the industry. Our top Forex and crypto experts are opening up their personal training vaults and putting skin in the game by offering live trading sessions and over-the-shoulder analysis exclusively to our members. These professional live trading sessions would typically be priced at premium rates, but are included as a benefit to all BFX members. As an added convenience, we've developed an extensive video training library for our members to access at any time. As we showcase these incredible videos, our professional traders have an uncanny ability to break down complicated financial concepts into easily digestible lessons, making it easy for anyone of any experience level to quickly learn from the best. Through this unique focus on education, We provide our members with the training and skills they need to enjoy a lifetime of success in crypto and Forex trading. Our primary mission at BFX Standard is to help our members create true financial and time freedom from home, guiding them more and more toward financial peace of mind. We're bringing together the brightest minds across multiple verticals and setting a new standard of financial empowerment at a time when people are searching for a better way. We are
BFX Standard.
We are BFX Standard. Join us today to gain access to a world of financial opportunity, learn the exciting crypto and Forex markets, and collaborate with a global network of trainers and trading professionals who can help you build the dream life you've always wanted.
Welcome to BFX Standard, the new standard of finance.